be talking interior design today. And with that, I mean paintings and posters, stuff you can put on your walls to make them a little bit more personal. This is from Mapiful, and I have used them before. I have one picture in my living room that I absolutely love. So I'm going to show you what I got this time, and I'm also going to share a code with you so you can get your own. So, hi guys, and welcome to my channel. I am going to show you something called Mapiful today, and it is a Swedish company, and that is something I absolutely love because I'm a Swede. Ta-da! So, of course, I want to promote companies that is from my home country. So, Mapiful is a company that makes posters, and they make different types of posters and prints. I would say that the line through everything is maps, because you have street maps where you can go in anywhere in the world pretty much. You can search for a street in a town or in a city or village or whatever you want, and you can get it printed so that you can see maybe where you grew up, or maybe where your ancestors came from, or something like that, something you want on your wall. So you got the street map, then you got the zodiac, and that is where you put in your date of birth and everything, and you will have your zodiac sign and the star constellation during that sign and during that date. And then you also have a star map where you put in your sign. And last, and that is what I went with this time, because I didn't see this last year, I think it might be new actually, is the line design. And I chose something that is really special for me and for my husband. So I'm going to show you that, of course. You to remember that there's a code down below for 10% if you go to Mapiful, and you can use that. You can also click the link down below to get there. They have so much to choose from, and I think what I like the most about them is that it is actually your design. You choose what you want. You've got color options, you've got fonts to choose from, you can put in your own text if there's something special you want to put in there, like I've done on mine. And you can choose if you want a frame, or if you just want the print as it is, or maybe you just want a little simple frame. There is so much to choose from, so I can't really mention everything. You need to go and have a look. I want you to go there and have a little browse around, have a look, and I can promise you this is a really, really good Christmas gift for someone. So this is the one that I picked. Ooh, and it's big, as you can see. When I picked this one, I wanted to do something really special, and I put the text underneath. And the text that is underneath this one, I'm sorry, I'm not going to hold it up because it's a bit shiny. The text I put underneath that one is very special to me and my husband, because it's part of our song that we have. And I just felt, when I saw the two hands, I thought, yeah, I'm going to put something really special there. And the song just popped up in my head, and it just fitted so well. I never really cared until I met you. So that is going to go up on the wall right behind me over the bed. I am really, really happy. My husband was really, really happy when he saw this. And like I said, I can't recommend these enough, because The other one I have in my living room, I made a video of that one as well. You can go and have a look at that. And I just feel like we could have so many different things at home that is a little bit more personalized. And I really like that. So thank you again, Mapiful, for asking me to do this, because I couldn't be more happy. So see you later, guys, and take care. Make sure you subscribe and leave a comment. Have you ordered from these ones before, or haven't you? If not, why not? Go ahead, go on. You've got the link down below. I will see you next time. Take care, guys.